Stowe, imagine hitting the heart of a superpower without ever crossing its borders. For decades, Russia's biggest war factories were considered untouchable fortresses, churning out the machinery of war deep within its vast territory. But suddenly, the game has changed. These once impenetrable sites are now facing massive attacks. How did this happen, and what does it mean for the future of global security? War factories are the lifeblood of any military. They're where tanks are forged, missiles are assembled, and ammunition is stockpiled. Russia, a military giant, built its defense industry on a foundation of security, placing its most critical assets far from any potential front line, shielded by sheer distance. For a long time, this strategy worked perfectly. But in the age of modern warfare, distance is no longer a defense. Recent reports have confirmed a series of stunning attacks on key Russian military-industrial sites. We're talking about facilities responsible for producing advanced missiles, manufacturing combat drones, and storing vast quantities of ammunition. But these weren't old-school bombing raids. Instead, the attacks were a masterclass in precision, technology, and disruption. The objective wasn't just to blow things up, it was to cripple the system, to slow down the entire war machine from the inside out. When a war factory is hit, the shockwaves are felt far beyond the physical damage. It means weapon supplies get delayed, putting immense pressure on military leadership and completely altering the timelines on the battlefield. For the first time, Russia's internal defense network, the very core of its military might, has shown signs of vulnerability. This signals a brand new, unnerving phase of modern conflict, and the world is paying very close attention. Military analysts are calling this the rise of industrial warfare. It's no longer just about armies clashing on a battlefield. It's about entire systems going head-to-head. In this new arena, cyber tools, long-range drones, and sophisticated intelligence have become just as devastating as a tank division. History has repeatedly shown us that wars are often won or lost, far from the front lines in the factories, on the supply lines, and in the centers of production. This new reality forces us to ask a critical question. If the industrial heart of a nation is now a primary target, can any country, no matter how powerful, truly consider itself safe anymore? What do you think? Is this the future of warfare? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, make sure to subscribe for more.